In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shein's website to check your messages and contact product owners directly. Now, Shein's platform is a bustling hub of fashion where you can not only browse for new styles, but also keep track of your orders and communicate with sellers. Understanding how to find and use these features can really enhance your shopping experience and help you manage your purchases more effectively. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Shein's official website. If you're not sure how to find it, simply type Shein into your search engine, and it should be the first result. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean and visually engaging design, which might seem overwhelming at first, given its vibrant promotions and myriad of categories. But don't worry, navigating it is easier than it seems. Next, direct your attention to the top part of the web page where you'll find various options, including your shopping cart and profile. What we're interested in today is what's called the Personal Center. Hover your mouse over this area. If you're logged into your account, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu is like a dashboard that provides quick access to all your personal account features. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see an option titled My Message. Click on this. This section functions much like an inbox where Shein sends you notifications related to your account. Here you can view messages regarding your orders or any interactions you've had on the site. It's quite a handy feature to keep organized and informed about your purchases. From the My Message section, you can also take action. Let's say you want to contact the seller of a recent purchase. Simply find the specific message or order related to that item. Click on it, and this will usually give you more detailed information about your order and the seller. Shein typically offers a direct way to initiate contact with sellers from this interface. This can be incredibly useful if you have questions about the product, need further details, or need any post-sale support. By understanding how to navigate to and use the Personal Center and My Message features, you'll be well equipped to handle any queries or concerns as you shop. It's always a good idea to manage your communications and keep an eye on any updates concerning your orders. With this know-how, you're not just shopping smart, but you're also engaging with the platform in a way that ensures you're informed and in control of your buying process. And there you have it. Navigating Shein's website to manage communication and contact sellers is a straightforward process once you're familiar with these steps. Enjoy your improved shopping experience and remember to make the most of these features to keep your fashion ventures running smoothly.